YouTube long ago converted your uploaded equirectangular video files to CubeMap 3x2 format. They fail from time to time to display them correctly. This tutorial shows how to convert them back to equirectangular format. A downloadable folder C3x2 to EQR enables you to make the conversion. The folder download link is in the description of this tutorial video. Download the zip file. Open your download folder. Open the zip file. Copy the folder to your desktop. Open the folder and scan the executable file. Norton 360 does not find any viruses. Here is the original file download from YouTube. Convert the video. Windows operating system identifies the file as new. Run anyway. Norton 360 also identifies the file as new. Tell Norton 360 to run always. The conversion process starts. You will not need to register the executable with your antivirus software in the future. The process is complete. Here is the new video. The new video is complete with 360 metadata.